Hey guys, welcome to another Workout Wednesday. We are going to do a HIIT workout today. Woo, party! Now, before you're all like, oh, I don't like HIIT, it's too much work. It is, but it gets your cardio over in 5 minutes instead of running on a treadmill for 25. So, 5 minutes, let's do it. Today we are on the TerraFIT board made by Glide. If you want one, which you do because you need one, the link is down below. So what we're gonna do is we have 5 different exercises. We're gonna spend a minute on each. So the first one, we're gonna do jump and turn squats. So it's gonna look like this. So you're gonna get on the board, you're gonna find your comfy position, make sure you're jumping, you're gonna crouch down, jump and turn, jump and turn. Make sure you have controlled movements. Number 2, mountain climbers. Bring it up, back and forth. Run it out. So you're gonna lay flat on your board, and then you're gonna go up, push up. Once you get into a plank position, jump your feet forward and stand up. Move your feet and back down. So once more, then you switch legs, so you pull up and jump, and up and back down. For our first exercises, we're gonna do some toe-ups, and it's gonna look like this. And jump behind. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna toe up and rotate back and forth. 1 minute. So this is what we're going to finish off with. You're going to get into your high plank position, shoulders under, you're going to get into your high plank position, wrists under shoulders, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull back, not touching your knees, and coming back up. Crouching tiger, like you're going to pounce, and down. There we go.